What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. You know, it's your girl Zena, and I'm back with another video. How you all doing? How is it now that the storm is gone? Well, hope it gone, because you know the sun is shining. The sun is shining, and I am here, and I'm just here to show you the after flood. So basically, I know you guys love the story times. Like, yeah, you guys love story time. But and you guys ask these silly questions like, oh, the mermaid them there and them wash away and whatever. No, them can't wash away. Them can't wash away like that. No. Okay. So look at the river now, guys. The river is drying. I am super excited for that because the river didn't come up yesterday and flood out the place and do what enough is supposed to do. So you know your girl is back with another video, and as I will always say, subscribe if you're new to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and please leave a comment in the comment section and make your comment be positive. Okay? Well, the road is kind of dead right now. I don't know what's happening around here. It's dead. Like nothing is coming across the bridge. But again, this is a 2-in-1 video. I'm just going to show you a little clip of what happened yesterday, and this is what is happening now. So let me show you what is going on around here and let you all see. And have yourself a blessed day. Inhale the fresh air in your lungs and give the glory to the Almighty. Alright, let's get into the video. Gonna be walking across the bridge because there is no vehicle coming, and I think it's safe, right? What's this big chunk of, let me see if I could keep this shit off. Last time one man come here saying, sit down here saying, you don't know what happened. A man, they have to sit down and say he losing slippers. I'm not going to be the stupid one to put my slippers about me and push this. I'm doing it bare feet. People, you can't move. You can't move. Oh my God. It's heavy. Let it stay. I'm gone. Oh man. So the road is basically empty. The river is drying. The sun is shining, which is excellent. I need some sunlight in my life, and it's a new day, and we just want to give the Lord the glory. So as you see, the river is full going down. Thank God it didn't flood. Let me must first and foremost say that it didn't flood yesterday, which, trust me, I'm happy it didn't, because it takes longer for us to go back to our lives and back to our daily day. I'm not sure today is what day. Is it a no movement day in Jamaica or what? Because there's no vehicle passing. Just 1 and 2, like 1 and 2. Well, I don't know. Maybe the mermaids want that. Less noise in their head. Alright, so I'm not going to make this video long. So this is the end of the video. I wanted to share you guys a story time. So when I was a little girl, I used to be like afraid to walk at night because I heard about the dopey story them. But you know, well landed people, well landed. So watch out now, people. That goat you afraid of bridge. Watch out. I have to be skating the goat. The goat don't want to go across the bridge. I don't know. Bus accident. Go and go look now. Come. Watch out, people. Watch out. What? Jesus of Nazareth. Goat. Nah, do you come now? People, the goat afraid to go across the bridge. We don't know why. No, sir. No. Like seriously? We don't know what to do. Come. Come. People, watch out. If vehicle did that come, I couldn't have do this, you know. He go afraid I bridge your ass, yo. Watch out. You back come. He go afraid I bridge. No. We never know say good. Wait. Ram. You're afraid of a bridge, man. Watch out where you go now. You lunatic, you. Come on. Yeah, peeps. So, we did have to add that in a while ago. You know, them go to smart, you know. You know, I go on a bridge and get licked down. Yeah? I get swept away. So him say, yo, me staying at the safe zone. Me not going to cross no bridge. Actually, I'm ready for eat. About 2 days now I go there and I eat nothing, you know, peeps. I mean, they have been starving. Because of the rain, you know, go afraid of rain, you know, they don't want to get wet up. So they've been sheltered. So I'm going to tie him, because he's a male, Ram, right here. So he can eat and have a jolly good day. So hungry must say I kill him. Poor thing. Alright people, if you're new to my channel, stay tuned, watch the whole video. Yeah. So yes people, run go over to Fatal and J YouTube channel and the link will be in the description and subscribe to their channel. Just remember to comment that Zena sent you.
Sign a light.
Light your bumbo
Wagwan people, welcome back to my channel. You know it's your girl Zena, but as you can see the river is rising and yes the gorge is reopening, but we still are watch it, so I go keep on posted, right? Let's take a walk. So peeps, you have to take a look a walk with your girl sometimes. I could just view the place, see what's really going on. So you know normally when the rain constantly is falling, like for days, especially days and nights, you can have landslide around this area, you know, because the hillside gets loosened because of the whole lot of rain. So as I am walking towards where a landslide has took place around the gorge, look a bit before you reach Flatbridge, before you enter the bridge, put it that way. Big up. In cases like this, we normally ask you guys to take the toll Sligoville or Barry. As I must say, I am not familiar with Sligoville. No, I'm not familiar with Barry, but I've driven Sligoville one time in my lifetime when years ago when I was going to school. I was going to Dintil at the time and guess what happened? Got a call saying that the river is up and I was trapped in Linstead. So due to that I had to take a bus and go all the way to Sligoville. So you know say me end up having to take one Linstead bus, go Spanish Town. Reach a Spanish Town, then we have to take one taxi with go the Angels and Damed and come up. When me reach a Damed, me have to walk it, reach home, peeps, me have to walk it. Yeah, so we're going closer and closer to where the landslide has taken place. As you can see, there are stones on the road. So nobody now gonna really stop and take them out of the road. Because you know Jamaican people, they're lazy bad. Especially the motorists them. They rather punch at them tire and then them say if me did know. Ras, I wonder if you not see that a while ago. Them now stop and take out the stone then. So me as a good Samaritan, I'm going to take them out right now. Hopefully nobody no lick me out of the way. And one of them stones they can hard flick. I'll bust my head in the air, you know. But I want to get a chance to take them out. As this car pass, these two cars pass, I'm going to try them out of the road. So basically, a landslide has taken place here, and oops, phone almost fall out of my hand. So we just keep them out of the road. Keep them out of the road. That's your manners. Maybe that's saying the case slow down. So we're taking them out of the road, just safety precaution for them vehicle here. And I know not a soul we are passing, so could have big one, man. Jaja. Vehicle them run past over this one. If I'm trying to river, I don't want to kill no mermaid today. So, just, oops. We just try to see if we can keep them out of the road. Yeah, that's people. More vehicle come. Let me see if we can come out of the way. Because I don't want nothing lick me down. But I hate that. Slow down, driver. Slow down. Stone them in the road. Let's see if we can pull down the umbrella and take up the stone them the real and proper way. Alright? So let's do this. Good afternoon, sir. Shit. On them big stone ya peeps. So this is another danger zone. More time when the river come up. This is what happens. I was told that this is where a mermaid live, somewhere half down here. So back in the day, this is where exactly where the lady found the gold, the mermaid gold comb and brush. And the mermaid dreamed the lady to return it, and she did not. So right down here, so where exactly can't tell. And them said there was a stone in the water at the banking where people used to come and catch water, and the lady come find the comb and the brush, and as she get dream for return it, she claims that she can't find it. But this is exactly where that happened. Can't see the stone because the river is risen at this moment. So hopefully one of these days I will vlog again to see if there's actually a big stone here where the mermaid would normally come out at moonshine and come and sit and comb her hair. Look how that car there speed a while ago. And in them a rocky road there. Is this a truck here? So the road is back open. I guess they know better. The authority, because them open up back the road, make vehicle come, so them open up the gate. So as you all know, your girl I go keep on posted. So that's basically my job around this side. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And Some people ask silly questions in the comment section. I call them silly. Why? Because they make me laugh. Like mermaid wash her now. No man, mermaid can't wash her because remember they are water spirits, you know. Them have them look out area and them cave where them linger and live otherwise. And if you look into the history of mermaid, I believe them used to come up, show up themselves to the land. You know, they must have somewhere wanted to get sunlight, just like how plants want to get sunlight. The fishes come up to get here sometimes. They do the same. But because of persons like pirates and them people, always I try to hunt them down. So I guess them just say, you know what, let's stay hidden. And that's why over the years no one can't catch any of them. Who to tell, maybe some places in the world have caught one of them, have them in some lab. Some lab or something, and you know, doing their whole whatever. But then again, if they're spiritual beings, there's no way on earth they can catch one of those and have them in any labs. But if they're a mammal like a fish or a whale or a shark, they could catch them, yes. Have them in their laboratory or do them experiments on. But let's hope that doesn't happen. Let's hope that they're in their inhabitant being safe and they want to come out and can be seen by the spiritual eyes or by eyes of those that are beyond. Right, peeps? Oh boy, this vlog is long. So that's the story for today. The river is flowing, but it's rising, but it's not on the road. So people 1 and 2 vehicles can come through for now. And I want to blow my hand too early, but it look like the rain stopped for now. So let's hope it stops. And if you're new to my channel, thanks for viewing, thanks for subscribing, and thanks for the thumbs up. Blessings to all of you. Take up some more stone. Oh gosh. Don't want to throw it in the water because I don't want to lick down the mermaid baby. Yeah. Yeah, peeps. So I'm gonna left from here so now because I don't want one of these vehicles to drive on the stone and next thing it boom off and boom in my head. There's some frequent accident happened to Zena around here so today. So I'm taking away myself. So that's one of the things that happens around the gorge whenever it rains for more than 2 days and 2 nights. Landslide, especially going to Bagwalk. Look a bit before you reach the Bagwalk old bridge. But it's not really old still because Cara drive funny, but you don't know. There's a landslide there. Pum Pum Wall, Pum Pum Rock. I get washed out. Go there. I get washed out right through. Right through. Yeah. All them tree are peeps. Them tree want to cut off from over the road, man. Soon and very soon, them tree are going to tear down, you know. Drop in the road. I need to get trim out. While some vehicle are pass and them a drive super fast. I wonder where them in a rush to go. Like they want to go bridge and run come back before the bridge flood over. But this will look rough like a sea, man. Like a sea. Okay, people, so this is the end of my record. Bless up to everybody. See you in the next video.